Imagine you making so much money that price tags become irrelevant and you can truly live life to the fullest while you're still young. That's FU Money, and I'm ranking ways to start, ranging from easiest to do to hardest. Before anything, you may be asking the question, I already know lots of ways, but I don't know how to make money from them. I got you covered, but first you need to develop the right mindset. When you start any side hustle or business, you have to understand why people make money, and this is due to providing or giving value to someone or something. This means you need to program your mind and understand what skills do I want to learn or already have. How can I use my pre-existing knowledge to help me begin my first business? This is important because people start businesses, sell courses, but people don't know how to give value to others. Since we know now you need to find a money-making hustle, one of the best ways to do that currently is creating content, specifically a faceless TikTok page. With these accounts, you have probably seen it's a popular clip from a podcast or somewhere else combined with a GTA clip at the bottom. Although this way is good as it's generated lots of creators, thousands of dollars. You don't have to do it like this. In fact, there's lots of different routes you can use to start a faceless TikTok. You can use it to bring traffic to an item you're selling on the TikTok shop, starting a theme page on a topic to build an actual brand, and much more. These may all make sense, but how do I actually make money? Simple. All your account needs is around 100,000 unique viewers and 10,000 followers on the platform. Sounds like a lot, but this is the bare minimum if you want to actually make money. I recommend the best ways to start learning is by looking at content on the platform that's been successful, asking why did it work, then applying that reasoning to your own video. I also recommend staying to one topic for your content, as this helps bring you in consistent views, which means consistent revenue. Although another way teenagers are making thousands of dollars right now online is by creating online books, using AI, and selling them. This one isn't heard about as much as it's pretty out there, but it's actually a great unsaturated way to make money and doesn't take much effort to start, although some of the other ways coming up can make you much more money. All you need to begin is to find a topic you're interested in and train ChatGPT to create the book pages on the book you're writing. At first, this takes trial and error, but if this interests you, I recommend looking at some ChatGPT tutorials. Now, you may be wondering, how does this make money? Here's an example for you. Let's say you look on Amazon and notice there aren't many gym books for women. You can use AI tools to create a dedicated book for working out for women, and then use Canva to create the book art. Here's a few examples of AI books I have seen and have sold extremely well. Of course, you may still be confused on how to actually sell the product. I recommend watching some videos on how to sell books on Amazon. Now, the best way right now that teenagers are making not only thousands, but tens to near hundreds of thousands of dollars a month is not something you've heard like dropshipping, but are actually paid communities. A paid community is an exclusive group or network where members pay a fee to join and participate. These communities can exist in various forms, such as online forums, social media groups, or membership websites, and can even exist on Discord. This method works as hundreds will pay a monthly subscription around $5–10 a month to join whatever your community has to offer. For example, one of my favorite communities that has been growing significantly is called Mogwarts. This community people pay for to learn from models how to dress. They're offering their skills and building a community of people to teach them how to look good. So how can you do this? The first thing you need to do is identify what you're good at. Is there something you can teach to others that people will want to join for you? For example, how to become a famous artist or how to grow an Instagram page. From there, you need to actually create value for your community and make sure it's active so people continue to pay. To learn more about this, I recommend looking at successful paid communities online or watching YouTube videos. A good place to find paid communities is the website Skool.com. Now that I have given you a few examples of ways you can make money, you may still have this same question: how do I actually make money? How do I generate thousands a month? That comes down to two key things: marketing and consistency. For marketing, it's simple. If you want to make you money, you need to get as much exposure as possible to whatever your business or hustle is, even if your paid community is bad or your AI book isn't great. If you can get 1 million people to know your product exists and 1% buy it, that's still 10,000 people, which is enough to make more than $100,000. To reach a massive platform of people for free, I recommend promoting on social media by using Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube. These platforms are the easiest way to get your product noticed if you can make good videos. This all may sound hard, but the next point I'm about to say is the most important note you can take from this video. You may need to learn whole new skills or understand how to make content to promote your product, but at the end of the day, making you money is going to take consistency and hard work. When you start, you're not going to know where you go. But at the end of the day, if you want to make money, start by experimenting and improving your business 1% a day, then you will make progress.